Hey y'all, today we're here at the W in Scottsdale checking it out for the first time, and we're going to tell you if we can dig it. We're going to take you through the hotel, show you the dining space, the wet deck, give you the room review, and let you know if you should check it out while you're in Scottsdale. Let's go. Located right in downtown Scottsdale, as soon as you walk into this W hotel, it says modern and trendy. The lobby, or they call it the living room, its purple and pink mood lighting gives you a relaxed, swanky vibe, while the lounge offers plenty of comfortable seating options. This lobby bar gets pretty packed, so the variety is nice. Across from the lounge is a cute photo opportunity with these mirrors, as well as where the bike rentals are. They also have a cute little boutique as well. Have you ever been to Scottsdale? If so, let us know in the comments. If not and you want to go, let us know why. And then check-in is past all of that on your right. Now, up the main lobby staircase here is access to the bar, restaurant, and the wet deck or pool area. Up here is where the current main restaurant, Denabe, is, but they have a new restaurant called Sexy Roman opening in May 2025, which is this month currently that we're making this video. Now, the main restaurant, Denabe, is very Asian inspired and they offer breakfast, lunch, and dinner, and they have a varietal cocktail menu as well. The wet deck slash pool area has plenty of space and seating options. And we stayed here during the week, but we here on the weekends, this place is the scene. So it's great that they have such a variety. As you can see here, they have a DJ booth prepped and ready at all times. We'll be back up here shortly to check out the rest of the pool area, but first I'm going to show you the event space and spa downstairs. The big glass doors let in a lot of natural light and they open up so this becomes one big open space, and they also have ballroom style rooms here as well. This is the Away Spa, also located on the first floor, and they offer an entire menu of services from massages, body treatments, facials, hair, nails, etc. All the works. They also offer great deals for locals if you're doing a staycation, as well as spa after dark parties where they have DJs, cocktails, and these are great for bachelorettes, girls' trips, gays' trips, any kind of trip you're taking and you want a spa event, they've got you covered. Now let's get to the room review. This is a 5th floor king suite, and the room is very spacious studio style, set up with an open bathroom concept and a separate water closet, which I always love those. The marble bathroom countertop and stone accent wall really add to the luxurious feel, while they offer you premium products and a sleek design with a big shower too. The floating bed concept is a little weird for me, with the door being behind the bed and the bed being in the middle of the room, but that's just my honest opinion. But they do have a nice desk that you can work at and lots of closet or storage space here along the wall. We've got a W robe. We all love one of those robes. If you haven't tried it, please do. Also have your typical ironing board, iron, safe amenities as well. They do offer 2 complimentary bottles of water, as well as an espresso machine in the room and a mini bar with snacks and drinks. Now there was a fridge here too, but I guess I just didn't film it. They had sodas, wine, little liquor bottles, as well as canned cocktails. For perspective, a soda was $9 and a canned cocktail was $14. And this is the view from the room. Not much, but most of these rooms have the same view. One thing I will say about this hotel was that the staff was very friendly and accommodating. I had an issue with my check-in. I was part of a large group event and I had a little bit of an issue, but they made it right with a bottle of shams, a note, and some snacks. And honestly, being a luxury brand, this is the type of customer service they should provide, but they made it right with this sweet gesture and it was very much appreciated. Now let's go check out the gym, which I passed up first, the pool, and I'll tell you if we can dig the W Scottsdale. The gym is a really nice space with cardio and weight machines, as well as free weights. And from the gym, you can step right out onto the wet deck and pool area. Now out by the pool, there are plenty of places to sit, but some are first come, first serve, and some are reservation only. The lounge chairs you see here to the left are first come, first serve, and complimentary. They stress that they are not to be held, but that they do go quick, and they will bring over umbrellas if you ask. They also have cabanas and day beds for reservation and a minimum spend. Those costs vary by day and season, so contact them for more info. So here are some final thoughts as we finish walking around the pool here at the W Scottsdale. Now, the W's are definitely a luxury brand, and if you're coming to Scottsdale and have a higher budget for hotels, then do it. Honestly, the location is 5 out of 5. You're right in the middle of everything. The hotel amenities and space are also a 5 out of 5. The pool and the living room are just so fun to hang out in. Now, the room is a 4 out of 5, honestly, for me, and that's only because of the floating bed in the middle of the room. If the room was set up a little different, I would have given it a 5 out of 5. Overall, we can totally dig W Scottsdale, and we hope you can too. Let us know if you stay here, if you have stayed here, or if you've ever stayed at a W brand hotel before. If you've liked this video, please give us a thumbs up, share, or even subscribe, as it really helps our channel grow. Until next time, cheers!